Berman Bedding was founded in 1912. When we started, it was just a mattress manufacturing company. Somewhere in the late 50s, early 60s, we began making medical pads. Technology became important to our business, certainly with the advent of the medical side of our business. I called CMIT when I was no longer good enough to be the IT guy for the company. What I value most about the support and service from them is how instantaneous it seems to be. It's a local company that does a wonderful job, and it's not necessarily a big, large corporation you're calling, although it has the support of a large network of CMITs around the country. I always recommend CMIT because whenever we've had any issue, quick phone call to them, and they're either taking care of it remotely or on the spot. The job is done quickly and correctly, the problem is solved, and away you go. I would say to anyone who's thinking about calling CMIT, you probably needed to do that yesterday. You should call them.